I'm trying out these noodles, guys, for dinner. Let's see. Yuk. Gajang. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. It's spicy beef. This is at Costco. It's the noodle. Okay, and then I'm gonna eat it with some baked chicken. And we have some okra, tomatoes, onions. Then I also got jasmine milk tea with crystal boba. It's so good. That's what I'm eating after work, guys. Alrighty. Hi guys, so eating noodles and chicken. It's a spicy beef flavor from Costco. It's not that spicy. Okra. Onions. Trying to get some chicken here. Look at that, so cute, look. I know, can't have any baby. See her? I'm gonna lower it down. Hi. You cannot have any baby. Look how close. Alright. She's just right here by me. I know, I cannot give her anything. If her parents are here, then I give them something, but she's a good girl, huh? You're a good girl, mama, huh? Yeah, I know, I know. Okay. Oh, sip of this. Oh, I didn't even notice. Yum Cha. No sponsor. I got it at Yum Cha boba place. Really good. I got the jasmine milk tea with crystal boba. So it's boba, but it's clear, like translucent boba jello. I call it jello, but it's not. It's just little white clear crystals. All right. Bye, guys.